Hello guys, welcome to Guess the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program. After that we'll execute that program and I will explain you the concept. Okay? And now you need to pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. Alright, I hope now you have your answer. So now we'll execute this program and we'll see whether you guessed the correct output or not. So for that I'll save this and run this. So this is the answer. Whether you got the same answer? If yes, then you know the logic. If not, I will explain you the program now. So first of all, here we can see a for loop and here we can see the range, that is 1 to 20. And inside the for loop we can see if else condition. In the if we can see the condition when I value is equal to 5. We can see break statement here. And in the else part we can see print function. Okay, we are printing the value of I. And here we can see for the for loop we can see the else block. Okay, we can use this else with the for loop or while loop in Python. Alright, so initially I value will be 1, so it will check whether if I is equal to 5, that is 1 equal to 5. No, it is not, so it will go to the else part and it will print 1. Same with 2, 3, 4, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when the I value becomes 5, okay, this condition will become true, so it will execute this break statement. So we know that when the break statement will execute, control will come out of the loop, right? So it will come out of the loop and it won't execute any other statement in that loop. So that's why in the output we got 1, 2, 3, 4. If you ask then what about this else part? The else block is executed only when the loop is not terminated by a break statement. Here this loop is terminating by the break statement, that's why it won't execute this block. Okay, so that's why in the output we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of break, if I use continue here, now can you guess the output? I'll execute. So it will print all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 19 except 5. Okay, and it will print hello also, because here loop is not terminating by a break statement, so it will execute else part also. Okay, so this is about this program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.